So the baseboard remains in a straight line on top, and you can see where the oak floor swales below the baseboard. And for someone who does not like Baseshoe, which is also called quarter round, your only alternative is to scribe this baseboard to follow the contour of the floor. If you can bring yourself to accept this piece of trim, you're going to be saving a lot of time, and I think, in my opinion, it looks more finished because this is intended to follow the contour of the floor come what may. So we maintain a straight line, a straight visual line for the top of the base, and then we eliminate the gap below. Just like voila.